Accuplacer math word problems. Question 1. In an Accuplacer review focused on math word problems at a campus bookstore, a learner completes a method minus selection task. How many feet are in 16 yards? Option A, 5.33 feet. Option B, 19 feet. Option C, 48 feet. Option D, 192 feet. The correct answer is option C, 48 feet. 1 yard is equivalent to 3 feet. Multiply the yard count by 3 to express the same length in smaller units. Using 12 confuses feet minus to minus inches with yards minus to minus feet. Question 2. A car traveling 41 miles per hour has a 26 minus mile lead. A second car travels 57 miles per hour on the same route. How long will it take to catch up? Option A, 0.27 hours. Option B, 1.62 hours. Option C, 0.46 hours. Option D, 0.62 hours. The correct answer is option B, 1.62 hours. The faster vehicle closes the gap at the difference between the two speeds. Divide the initial lead by this relative speed. Adding speeds is used when objects move toward each other, not in the same direction. Question 3. A student already has $12 and saves $11 each week. How many weeks are needed to reach $177? Option A, 16.09. Option B, 17.18. Option C, 15. Option D, 165. The correct answer is option C, 15. Subtract the starting savings from the target amount. Divide the remaining amount by the weekly savings rate. Dividing the full target ignores money already saved.
Stressed about your FCLE? We can take FCLE for you remotely and undetected. We always guarantee a pass and payments only after results. To send us an email, scan the code or tap the link in the description and let's get it done.
Question 4. In an Accuplacer review focused on math word problems at a community garden, a learner completes a calculation check on a graph. What represents the solution of a system of two linear equations? Option A, the y-intercept of either line. Option B, the steeper slope. Option C, every point on the x- axis. Option D, the intersection point. The correct answer is option D, the intersection point. A solution must satisfy both equations at once. Graphically, this occurs where the two lines share the same ordered pair. An intercept of only one line need not lie on the other. Question 5. A school surveys only students in an advanced math club about homework preferences. What is the main concern? Option A, the sample is too random. Option B, the conclusion may be biased. Option C, the data have no variables. Option D, the mean cannot be computed. The correct answer is option B, the conclusion may be biased. The selected group may differ systematically from the full student population. This undercoverage can make the results unrepresentative. A larger biased sample would not automatically fix the selection method. Question 6. A rectangle has area 42 square units and length 7 units. What is its width? Option A, 6. Option B, 35. Option C, 49. Option D, 12. The correct answer is option A, 6. Use the area relationship A equals LW. Divide area by the known length to isolate the width. Subtracting length from area mixes square units and linear units. Question 7. A rectangular prism has volume 189 cubic units, length 7, and width 3. What is its height? Option A, 168. Option B, 18.9. Option C, 18. Option D, 9. The correct answer is option D, 9. Use V equals LWH and divide by the product of the known dimensions. This cancels length and width and leaves height. Subtracting a face area from volume mixes different units. Question 8. In an Accuplacer review focused on math word problems at an online retailer, a learner completes a strategy minus selection task. A right triangle has hypotenuse 13 and one leg 5. What is the other leg? Option A, 8. Option B, 18. Option C, 13.93. Option D, 12. The correct answer is option D, 12. Start with A superscript 2 plus B superscript 2 equals C superscript 2 and isolate the unknown leg square. Subtract the known leg square from the hypotenuse square, then take the positive square root. Adding the squares would find a longer value than the hypotenuse relationship allows.
Are you looking for FCLE actual questions? Visit our website pokerexams.com to access FCLE study guide with actual questions and answers. Scan the QR code or click the link in the description to get FCLE answer key today.
Question 9. An 8 minus by minus 7 rectangle has a 5 minus by minus 5 square removed from one corner. What is the remaining area? Option A, 31. Option B, 81. Option C, 10. Option D, 6. The correct answer is option A, 31. Find the full rectangle area before the cutout. Subtract the square area removed from the corner. Multiplying reduced overall dimensions removes additional regions that still remain. Question 10. Which quotient is equal to 2/3 divided by 1? Option A, 3/2. Option B, 1/2. Option C, 2/3. Option D, 101. The correct answer is option C, 2/3. Division by a fraction is performed by multiplying by its reciprocal. Keep the first fraction unchanged, invert the divisor, and then multiply across. Inverting the first fraction or multiplying without taking a reciprocal changes the operation. Question 11. In an Accuplacer review focused on math word problems at a public library, a learner completes a reverse minus reasoning task, round 23.617 to the nearest tenth. Option A, 23.62, option B, 23.7, option C, 23.6, option D, 101. The correct answer is option C, 23.6. Locate the requested place value and inspect the digit immediately to its right. Increase the rounding digit by 1 when the next digit is 5 or greater, otherwise leave it unchanged. Truncating always drops digits and can differ from correct rounding. Question 12. A class has 9 students who walk to school and 5 who ride. What is the simplified ratio of walkers to riders? Option A, 5:9, option B, 9:14, option C, 9:5, option D, 14:5. The correct answer is option C, 9:5. Write the quantities in the order named and divide both terms by their greatest common factor. Simplifying a ratio preserves the comparison while using the smallest whole minus number terms. Reversing the order or comparing a part with the total describes a different relationship. Question 13. A package of 7 identical items costs $14.70. What is the cost per item? Option A, $21.70. Option B, $3.10. Option C, $7.70. Option D, $2.10. The correct answer is option D, $2.10. Cost per item is found by dividing the total cost by the number of items. The quotient gives the price associated with one unit. Subtracting the item count from the price mixes a count with a monetary amount. Question 14. A model uses 6 centimeters to represent 8 meters. At the same scale, how many meters are represented by 18 centimeters? Option A, 24. Option B, 11. Option C, 144. Option D, 2.67. The correct answer is option A, 24. Determine how many times larger the new model length is than the original model length. Apply that same scale factor to the represented real length. Adding the scale factor or multiplying by the full new length does not preserve the ratio. Question 15. Which decimal represents 60%? Option A, 6. Option B, 60. Option C, 0.6. Option D, 1.66667. The correct answer is option C, 0.6. Percent means per hundred, so divide the percent number by 100. This moves the decimal point 2 places to the left. Moving only one place or keeping the original number changes the scale. Question 16. What is the sale price of a $74.86 item after a 35% discount? Option A, $26.20. Option B, $48.66. Option C, $109.86. Option D, $101.06. The correct answer is option B, $48.66. Find the discount amount from the original price and the decimal rate. Subtract the reduction from the original price, or multiply by the remaining minus price factor. The discount amount alone is the savings, not the amount paid. Question 17. A total including 15% tax is $128.58. What was the price before tax? Option A, $109.29. Option B, $111.81. Option C, $113.58. Option D, $857.20. The correct answer is option B, $111.81. The tax total equals the original price multiplied by 1 plus the decimal tax rate. Divide the total by that tax factor to recover the pre-minus tax amount. Subtracting the rate as dollars does not reverse a percentage increase. Question 18. How many years will $500 take to earn $175 at 7% simple interest? Option A, 6. Option B, 4. Option C, 0.35. Option D, 5. The correct answer is option D, 5. Rearrange the simple minus interest formula to isolate time. Divide the interest by the product of principal and decimal rate. Adding the principal and rate in the denominator mixes unlike quantities. Stressed about your Accuplacer? We can take Accuplacer for you remotely and undetected. We always guarantee a pass and payments only after results. To send us an email, scan the code or tap the link in the description and let's get it done. Question 19. A figure is enlarged by a scale factor of 4. A side originally measures 5 units. What is the corresponding side length? Option A, 20 units. Option B, 9 units. Option C, 1.25 units. Option D, 625 units. The correct answer is option A, 20 units. An enlargement multiplies every linear dimension by the scale factor. Apply the factor directly to the original side length. Adding the factor does not preserve similarity. Question 20. In an Accuplacer review focused on math word problems at a theater group, a learner completes a symbolic minus reasoning task: convert 150 centimeters to meters. Option A, 15,000 meters. Option B, 15 meters. Option C, 50 meters. Option D, 1.5 meters. The correct answer is option D, 1.5 meters. There are 100 centimeters in 1 meter. Divide by 100 to express the measurement in the larger unit. Dividing by 10 converts only 1 metric place and is insufficient. Question 21. How long does a 115.5 mile trip take at 77 miles per hour? Option A, 8,893.5 hours. Option B, 1.5 hours. Option C, 0.67 hours. Option D, 38.5 hours. The correct answer is option B, 1.5 hours. Rearrange distance equals rate times time to isolate time. Divide distance by rate so the mile units cancel. Multiplying would greatly increase the time instead of reversing the relationship. Question 22. In an Accuplacer review focused on math word problems at a small bakery, a learner completes a solution minus validation task. A ratio has a numerator 26 less than its denominator. If the numerator is 4, which ratio represents it? Option A, 30/4. Option B, 4/30. Option C, 26/4. Option D, 4/26. The correct answer is option B, 4/30. Translate numerator is less than denominator by adding the difference to the numerator to form the denominator. Keep the quantities in their specified fraction positions. Reversing the terms changes the ratio to its reciprocal. Question 23. Solve the system 4x plus 1y equals 11 and 1x plus 1y equals 8. Option A, 7, 1. Option B, 2, 7. Option C, 1, 7. Option D, 1, 8. The correct answer is option C, 1, 7. Eliminate one variable by combining equivalent multiples of the equations or use substitution. Solve for the remaining variable and substitute back into either original equation. A valid ordered pair must satisfy both equations simultaneously. Question 24. A store records daily sales 27, 37, 35, 15, 20, 27, 26, 28. What is the average daily sale count? Option A, 26.88. Option B, 27. Option C, 215. Option D, 22. The correct answer is option A, 26.88. Add the daily counts and divide by the number of days. The mean distributes the total evenly across the observation periods. The median identifies a middle position rather than the average total per day. Question 25. What is the perimeter of a square with side length 7 units? Option A, 28. Option B, 49. Option C, 14. Option D, 343. The correct answer is option A, 28. A square has 4 equal sides. Multiply one side length by 4 to find the total boundary. Squaring the side gives area.